All right. The first thing first is RAS. What is RAS? Everyone, this is a new information for you. It could be old. If it is old, think deeper. If it is new, think, it's a new information and get used to it. So every time you read a book and again reread a book, you will get into deeper understanding of the book. Yes or no? So those who know this concept, don't say, oh, she's saying the same thing. Yes, I'll say the same thing. But get into deeper context. Okay. So here what I request you to do is, RAS is nothing but reticular activating system. See, you have got millions of bytes of information bombarding your brain. And when it is bombarding your brain could have got really over confused or overworked with all the decision making, which thoughts to really take in, which thoughts to delete, which thought to distort, whatever it is. So God has done a wonderful thing. He's made a wonderful mechanism in our brain called the RAS. And the RAS is like your doorkeeper to all the information. So it opens the door and shuts the door whenever you are wanting. So what you want, it will open the door to those information, and what you don't want, it will shut the door for those information. So if you are problem oriented or problem focused, it will open the doors to all the problems that may be coming in your life and absolutely shut the door for all the solution that may be outside. But since your doors are shut, it's not coming into your conscious being. So I request, this is also a part of law of attraction, but what I want you to understand is what you're talking internally is actually attracting things externally. If I were to say, oh my God, again I have to change my life, this is not fair, 2008 was such a blow, now 2020 has started playing tricks, well, that's where I would be. And this is not, it's not only for you, it's not only for me, it's even for you. Everything has changed for everyone, right? But we cannot delve in the past and live in the present, right? We have to live in the present and think of the future. So I request each one of you to understand that RAS is your gatekeeper. Just take care of your gatekeeper. And how do you take care of your gatekeeper? Strong words, in the sense, if it is getting very negative in your thoughts, just get up and do physical activity. When you see, have you ever seen a farmer having sleepless nights? Yeah, here in cities, what we say, sleep has gone, we are sleep deprived, sleep starved. Yes, why? Because we are becoming sedentary worker, totally focused on our laptops. Lot of this blue rays coming and activating our mind so much that the mind doesn't know whether it is day or night, and hence we have sleep problems. So I request for you, if you feel a lot of negativity coming in, just do some physical activity. Just get up, run, jog, whatever, because your mind is actually controlled by your physiology. Your psychology is controlled by your physiology, and even vice versa. Okay, so break the pattern, break the state, and you will feel yourself in a much better position. And don't tell me that I never get all this thing. I know you do get it. Please acknowledge it and do something about it, because you're wasting your time. And when you waste your time, you're being less productive. And you're being less productive, your results are going to be nil, not even less results. Anthony Robbins says, if you do excellent job, you get good results. If you go do substandard job, you get no results. Okay, so don't think that doing substandard work or being a little bit unproductive can really take you far off. So I want a thumbs up from everyone that you have understood that how RAS is important to your productivity. All right, everyone, can you give me a thumbs up sign, or maybe yes in the chat box, however you want it to be. Yes, thank you.